Tired of scrubbing windows, but not ready to spend fortune? You're in the right place. Today, we're checking out 5 budget-friendly window cleaning robots that are smart, efficient, and surprisingly powerful. Let's see which one gives you the best shine for your money. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Lectric YW509 Window Cleaning Robot. The Lectric YW509, a window cleaning robot built for smarter homes. Designed with dual water spray, it effectively breaks down dust and grime, leaving windows crystal clear. Whether it's vertical glass or wall surfaces, it gets the job done with ease. This robot uses advanced laser sensors for precise detection and mapping. Combined with smart navigation, it plans the most efficient cleaning route. No spot is missed, and every corner is covered. Operating at a 24-volt working voltage, it ensures safe and stable performance. A built-in 500 mAh battery provides backup during brief power cuts, so cleaning continues without worry. Its slim and sleek build helps it navigate tight corners and high windows. No ladders, no effort. Just clean, streak-free surfaces. With the Lectric YW509, keeping your windows spotless becomes effortless. It's an intelligent upgrade for any modern home. Second product on our list, ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner. The ABIR WD8 Robot Window Cleaner is a powerful and smart cleaning companion. Built with a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers up to 3,000 PA of vacuum suction, ideal for glass, walls, and smooth surfaces. It features dual water spray with auto and manual options, ensuring spotless results every time. With 4 cleaning modes, N, Z, N plus Z, and fixed-pointed, it adapts to various surfaces and needs. Its smart memory allows the robot to recall paths, saving time and energy. The built-in UPS system protects it during power loss, keeping it secure for up to 40 minutes. Frameless detection and automatic edge sensing offer extra safety on all window types. Users can control it via remote or mobile app, adding modern convenience. Despite its powerful features, it operates quietly at under 65 dB. Compact, intelligent, and efficient. The ABIR WD8 makes window cleaning effortless and worry-free. Third product on our list, Lectric YW810 Window Cleaning Robot. The Lectric YW810 Window Cleaning Robot offers a convenient and efficient solution for keeping your windows spotless. Featuring a dual water spray system with a 70 milliliters water tank, it ensures a thorough clean with every pass. The robot operates quietly, with noise levels kept under 60 dB, making it perfect for any environment. With 3 cleaning modes, auto, left edge, and right edge, the YW810 adapts to your cleaning needs. Its advanced Euro navigation system and smart memory allow it to plan an efficient cleaning path and remember it for future use. Powered by a brushless motor with 2,800 PA suction, it easily tackles dirt and grime. The anti-fall UPS system keeps the robot safe while cleaning high windows. Its compact size, microfiber cleaning pad, and energy-efficient power make it ideal for homes and offices. Experience hands-free, streak-free cleaning with the Lectric YW810. Fourth product on our list, CHOVERY CL1 Window Cleaning Robot. The CHOVERY CL1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner Window Cleaning Robot. The ultimate solution for effortlessly cleaning your windows and glass surfaces. Designed for both residential and commercial use, this robot features a powerful motor with a voltage range of 110V to 240V, ensuring efficient cleaning with minimal energy consumption. Equipped with a 5-meter cord, it provides ample reach for large windows and hard-to-reach areas. Its emergency power supply system ensures uninterrupted cleaning, even during power fluctuations. The CHOVERY CL1 model is lightweight yet durable, with a sleek size of 300 by 150 by 120 millimeters for easy handling. Its versatile design allows remote control operation, making it convenient to manage from distance. Whether you're using the US, EU, UK, or AU plug, this device adapts to your electrical system seamlessly. The CHOVERY robot guarantees streak-free windows and a spotless shine every time. Fifth product on our list, PuRuikai PRK 309 Window Cleaning Robot. The Puruikai PuRuikai 309 is a smart solution for effortless window cleaning at home. Built for convenience, it features an automatic water spray system that removes dust, smudges, and grime with minimal effort. Its compact design glides smoothly across glass surfaces, ensuring even coverage. The 4.5-meter power cord allows flexible movement, ideal for tall or wide windows. With just a remote click, cleaning becomes hands-free and hassle-free. Despite its powerful performance, the unit consumes less than 800 watts, making it energy efficient. It also supports a wide voltage range from 100 to 240 V, so it's ready to go wherever you need it. Perfect for windows, mirrors, or even glass doors, it delivers sparkling results every time. The PuRuikai 309 isn't just a gadget, it's a time-saving household essential. With smart cleaning tech and user-friendly control, Puruikai proves that modern cleaning can be both powerful and practical.